Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the password in AnyDesk quickly and safely. This is really useful if you no longer want unattended access enabled on a device, or if you're cleaning up the remote access settings on a computer you no longer use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on the computer that currently has the password you want to remove. Make sure you're on the device itself, because this setting has to be changed from inside AnyDesk on that machine. Once AnyDesk is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon. That's the icon with 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage access and security options. In the Settings window, look for the Access section and click on it. This is where AnyDesk keeps the options related to remote access, permissions, and unattended access. Now, before you can make security changes, you may need to unlock the settings. If you see a button that says Unlock Security Settings, click it. If the settings are locked, AnyDesk may ask for administrative privileges, so go ahead and approve that if prompted. This step is important because password and security controls are protected by default. After the security settings are unlocked, scroll down until you find the Unattended Access section. This is the part that controls whether someone can connect to the computer without being physically present to approve the connection. Under that section, you should see the Password option. Click the option to remove password. When you do that, AnyDesk will usually ask you to confirm the action, so click Remove to proceed. This tells AnyDesk that you want to delete the saved unattended access password from this device. After that, click Yes if a confirmation box appears. Once you confirm, the password will be removed and unattended access will no longer use that saved password on the computer. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check the settings to make sure the password is actually gone. If you want, you can close and reopen AnyDesk to confirm that the unattended access password field is now cleared. That's really all there is to it. You've now removed the password in AnyDesk and changed the access settings on your computer. This is a simple but important step if you want better control over who can connect remotely. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.